You can go ahead and upload multiple types of documents, like for example Word, PDF, and text files, and even images. So to do that, you simply need to click on this attachment icon right here, and then go ahead and attach out different things. Like let's say for example, I have this image right here, and now I'm simply going to go around over here and attach out this particular image right here. So you can see that you can attach out multiple files altogether. So I'm simply going to go ahead and select this one, and this one, and then this one, and then I'm simply going to go ahead and select, let's say for example, over here I'm going to select out this one as well. So you can select out multiple files as necessary right here, just like this, and click on open. And then what happens is that all of those files will be uploaded, and you can go ahead and say explain what is there in each file, or you can tell it to analyze the file as well, and so forth. So you can see that one is not uploaded, so let me just go ahead right here. So you can see that it is still uploading right here. This is still remaining. Let me just remove that out and let this complete uploading right here, just like this. And I'm simply going to tell it to explain what is there in each file. So you need to go ahead and wait for a while right here. And now it's uploaded. So if I were to go ahead and now hit the send button right here, then what happens is that it'll go ahead and analyze out all of the files right here. So you need to wait for a bit because we have uploaded quite a bit of file. And once you do that, you can see that it simply goes ahead and gives out details of what each files are. And this is how you can actually go ahead and then upload PDFs, words, and even text files, and then communicate with Kimi for a prompt based on it. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.